Hello, my name is Javier David H. Bolong, and today I will be showing you how to make a simple diode circuit using the multisim website. First, we need to name our circuit the simple diode circuit. And for the circuit itself, we only need four things: the voltage source, the resistor, the diode, and the ground. We can adjust each of these things' position by first clicking on them and using this button to rotate as desired. And in order to connect each one and everything, we simply need to connect on these diamond-shaped points in order to stretch out some wires. And when it's at a valid point where it can connect, there will be some circles that will appear as so. Then we'll start to connect each and every device. Okay. Start. Okay, now we have a simple diode circuit. For this example, the values will be as given. And if there will be any other parts that you would like to add to this kind of circuit, the options are right over here. Now, in order to measure the voltage, we need to go to this point. This will be where our probes are. To measure the voltage, we will first need to add probe, which is seen as the green button with a pin, as so. But in order to measure the specific voltage across a certain device, we need a voltage reference. By default, this voltage probe, the R1, is linked to ground. So this will measure the voltage across the voltage source. In order to measure the voltage across the R1 resistor, we need to set the voltage reference option to RF1, which is over here. And we can also do so to measure the voltage across the diode using another probe. But for this one, we don't need another reference because this is linked to the ground by default. And in order to see the results and the voltage across the thing, we will press the arrow key here to run the simulation. And by default, it is in transient mode. Now, it will start loading in the simulation, and now it will load into Grapher. As can be seen here, as we go over the graph using our arrow, we will see the value at each point to see that at max, it is going the voltage across the diode has a maximum of around 630 millivolts and around a low value of negative 999 millivolts. And as for the voltage across the resistor, it ebbs and maxes around 317 millivolts. There are, of course, other options in order to simulate the simulation through interactive, which basically simulates the thing in real time, wherein it constantly updates over time the values of the devices. Now to stop, you just simply press the square button, which is stop or reset the simulation. And that is how you simulate a simple diode circuit in multisim.